The thing that everyone watches the most during a tennis match is also the thing that is thought about the least. The ball is taken for granted. It's a vital part of the game and is expected to fly and bounce with consistency every time. In tennis ball manufacture, a soft rubber is pulverized between two heavy rollers to give it a firmer, less rubbery nature. Plugs of rubber are produced, and these will form the half shells that will become the inside of the ball. Although highly advanced technologically, a tennis ball's manufacture is relatively labor-intensive. This factory operates 24 hours a day to produce millions of balls each month for the enormous world market. After being coated with adhesive, the two halves are joined using intense heat and pressure in a process known as vulcanizing. An unbreakable joint is formed in this way. Just before the two halves come together inside the machine, a quick burst of pressurized air creates the correct pressure in each ball. A ball used at high altitude will be charged with a low pressure, and those used at sea level will be slightly more pressurized. This pressure will ensure a consistent bounce at the altitude for which the ball is designed. The rubber surface is sanded to make it rough, and a coating of adhesive is applied as the ball tumbles in a spinning drum of glue. The felt cover of a tennis ball is made of two dumbbell-shaped pieces of material. These pass through a glue bath and will shortly be applied to the rubber ball. Covering is either done by hand or by machine. Hand covering is more accurate, and this can be seen by the very consistent width in the glue line that runs around the ball. Air bubbles are removed in the rolling machine, and the balls are ready to pass through a third vulcanizing process, and this time the felt covering is bonded firmly to the inner rubber section. A surface is produced that can withstand the rigors of the pounding that a tennis ball receives as it bounces on the rough surface of the tennis court. A quick tumble dry fluffs up the felt, and the ball passes through the final processes before being packed into the can. Tennis balls have a long history of service. Colors have changed, materials have changed. The resulting modern ball is a manufacturing marvel that we all take for granted and expect to perform with consistent perfection.